Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400 and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their drag strip series, and this is a 2023 edition. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. The first impressions of this is actually it's really wicked. The body kit is really amazing. It's a white body kit. This looks really nice. The spoiler is actually metal. This is not plastic. This blue looks really nice. It's not too much and it is not too less. It looks really nice. I love this one. This looks really awesome, specifically when you are holding it in your hands. I wish they had some kind of fiber here for the headlights. That would look more amazing. Still, this one looks really phenomenal. Okay, let's do the roll test. This rolls really nice and smooth. It's really good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.